No, there is not a paste wax shortage for blacksmiths. For many years, my favorite ironwork finish, particularly on interior iron, was Johnson's paste wax. This stuff was available at hardware stores, a lot of grocery stores, home centers. Really easy stuff to come by. Apply it hot so it just smokes a little bit. It kind of soaks into the pores of the iron like seasoning a cast iron skillet, and provides very good protection, but also gives a little bit of a darker black finish and a little bit of a gloss finish. So this was really a favorite finish. Then several years ago, I don't know how long now, found out that Johnson's was going to quit making paste wax. And at first I didn't react too much. You hear these kind of rumors all the time about one product or another. But the more I heard that it was going away, the more concerned I got. Luckily, one of you folks out there turned me on to a source back then. This source dried out really quickly for Johnson's paste wax by the case. I still have 6 unopened cans. So this is about 4 or 5 years worth of Johnson's paste wax for me. It lasts quite a while. But that doesn't do you a bit of good. And you're wondering, well, what do I use if I can't get Johnson's paste wax? You can make your own paste wax with things like beeswax, linseed oil. I've heard some people put mineral oil, some mineral spirits, turpentine, different things people mix to make kind of a spreadable wax. And certainly if you melt it, just about anything will work. Heck, straight beeswax or straight paraffin works. It just leaves a thicker, waxier coating that I don't like as well as I like the paste wax finish. I've used Minwax. That seems to work okay. But if you're blacksmithing and you want to support your fellow blacksmiths, there are a couple of better options on the market. The first one somebody sent me is referred to as Forge Finish. This comes from ZH Fabrication. This has been an outstanding wax. I like the fact that it comes in a screw top tin, so it's easier to get the lid on and off of. It's the middle of summer, you got to be careful. Sometimes these things are liquid when you take the lid off. And I've been very happy using this product. I still have this one unopened can, but this is about the end of that I have. I've also used some of this Phoenix metal wax, and the name of the company making this is Raindrops in Virginia. So again, this is a small business, and they just sent us a little bit more of this to work with here at Black Bear Forge. So personally, I'm not in need of any paste wax, but if you are, both of these have been excellent substitutes for the Johnson's paste wax. I can't recommend one over the other. You just decide who it is you want to do business with. This is a much bigger can, so you're going to get more use per can of it. And I'll link down below to their website so you can check out the pricing and everything like that. But no, there is not a paste wax shortage for blacksmiths. If you want to use a paste wax finish, you got options, even if you don't have a stash of this sitting around. Anyways, I hope that helps. Thanks for taking your time to watch the video, with a special shout out to my channel members and my Patreon patrons. Channel members generally receive early access to the videos, while Patreon patrons at a certain level not only receive early access, they receive the videos ad-free and the occasional bit of exclusive behind-the-scenes content from here in the shop. So if you're tired of the annoying ads, you might want to check out Patreon. But for everybody, thanks again. I really appreciate it. Hope you have time in your day to get out to your shop, make something, have fun. Don't forget to put a finish on it. Stay safe. Wear your safety glasses. We'll see you for the next video.